Hello and welcome. You're watching this special broadcast on India's 73rd Independence Day. I'm Afrida Rahman Ali. Let's begin by talking about this very special report that we have for you today. As we celebrate India's freedom movement, there is one question that continues to haunt us even today. Have we truly achieved our independence? Well, even after 73 years of freedom, there are numerous social evils, violence, and intolerance that continue to plague this country. So, how do we get freedom from hate and discrimination? The answer to this has come from some children who are really teaching us the true meaning of unity and respect through music.
लोगों को बस कहना है, क्यों हमें सब सहना है? हौसले हो जब एक जैसे, तो क्यों भेदभाव में रहना है? This is a song that's been written by a group of 8-year-old children who are asking the fellow Indians a very important question. Why should they be discriminated? And here's why it is important to address this issue. Discrimination is one of the many social evils deeply entrenched in our society. And as we celebrate our 73rd Independence Day, we remember the freedom struggle and the sacrifices made by so many Indians to keep this country united away from hate and discrimination. But have we lived up to their expectations? The answer is no. And here's what these children are helping us learn: the true meaning of love and togetherness.
In a country where intolerance and bigotry remain a social menace, these children express their emotions and what they feel through music. This is an initiative of an NGO, Enabling Leadership Foundation, which believes that every child is a leader, a global citizen, and a positive contributor. Music Basti, a program created in 2008, enables children from underprivileged backgrounds to develop confidence and leadership qualities by integrating music with life skills.
So fundamentally, leadership is about individual strength of character and about building a very strong sense of community. And this involves a lot of different behaviors, traits, and skills to come together for this to happen. So over typically a 2 to 3 year period, we see a huge transformation in behaviors and habits. When they finish their performance, they have this amazing level of self-confidence, saying that, wow, I was in front of a big group, I was able to perform and I did well, which means I can do something about myself and I can actually do anything in life.
The relationship between music and learning has been long established. But when children are encouraged to express themselves through music by writing songs with their classmates, it brings out their hidden feelings and thought process. Music Basti provides that platform for children to express different emotions and to talk about it in a safe and prejudice-free environment.
क्या-क्या चीज़ों पे आप लोग को गाने लिखना पसंद है?
दोस्त के बारे में, लड़की और लड़के के बारे में। जो हमारे दोस्त अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना, उसको हमको गाना लिखना चाहिए कि हम थे आपके बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, उसमें गाना बनाना चाहिए। भारत पे, लड़के लड़की पे और अपने दोस्त के लिए, उसके लिए गाने गाए।
Meet 8-year-old Swati, who keenly observes human behavior and wonders why there is discrimination around her. She narrates an incident and asks innocently an important question: why gender bias still exists?
जा रही थी तो एक आंटी थी, तो वो उनकी एक बेटी थी और एक बेटा था, तो वो ना अपनी बेटी को मारी थी और मीन्स वो भी फर्स्ट आई थी और जो उनका बेटा था वो भी फर्स्ट आया था, तो अपनी बेटी से ज़्यादा मीन्स अपने बेटे को ज़्यादा वो कर रही थी कि वेरी गुड, और बेटी को कुछ नहीं करी थी, इसलिए मैंने भेदभाव पर गाना लिखा।
और आपको बुरा लगा जब आपने वो चीज़ देखी?
यस मैम, बहुत बुरा लगा कि लड़कियों के साथ ये लोग ऐसा क्यों करते हैं, और लड़का लड़की तो बराबर है, कोई नीचा नहीं है कोई ऊंचा नहीं है, इसलिए।
Like Swati, many of her classmates have numerous questions about people who are subjected to various forms of discrimination. Through this program, these children have penned down their personal experiences into a song about deep-rooted prejudice.
These children are at such an impressionable age, they do not understand the meaning of hatred or discrimination. What they do understand are emotions. That is a learning for all of us, all fellow Indians. When they are together, they feel happy. They want to be together because they feel that they can achieve anything. And that is the beauty of how they write their songs day after day. What is important here is to also know that they do not care where their classmates come from, what caste they belong to. They do not matter. What matters is the fact that when they are together, these happy faces tell a story, and that story is about how they can achieve anything when they are united.
At the heart of this program is a team of self-driven individuals who believe in promoting best practices in the classroom and value-based learning. Music Basti's pedagogy focuses on building self-confidence and a greater sense of responsibility and respect for fellow classmates. For this, the teachers are trained to positively respond to a child's feelings by using various activities to engage them through music.
In terms of songwriting, we do a lot of, narrative building. We build stories for them through whatever they've provided. Say they've provided a list of random words. We help create a story around that so that there's a meaning that gets created where they feel like they have contributed all of it, but we're just shaping it into in the form of a narrative so that, it makes for a good listening experience. Most of my work and training goes to kind of linking music and life skills together in a way where we can communicate through music how we can, impart life skills training to children. And a lot of different activities are used for that.
Whole idea of having these teacher trainings is to have a context of where these children come from and all the material that you take in the classroom.
One of the things that helps is that the former teachers usually have a presentation where they talk about their experience, and they'll talk about very specific things that they've come across in terms of how some students might react to some things that you say, or some small ways to tackle with, let's say, some child being very disruptive or very aggressive today in the class.
Even in the training, we have a lot of people from different backgrounds. So everybody, it just trainings give us a very safe space to speak up and say whatever we want to.
I do have an example of a student that we have in class 3, and I know there's physical violence in his house, like he's hit a lot, and so there are times when he acts out, but in our plans, we make sure there is some space for him to be, because it's not in our capacity right now to absolutely head on deal with it. So we just really let that student be. We have a talk after class here and there. We do a lot of positive appreciation all the time, and that's really showing us some change.
With a robust curriculum aimed at enabling leadership through music, the students participate in a public concert at the end of the year. Not only does this give a sense of achievement to many underprivileged children who are performing on their song for the first time, it also paints the real picture of how they suffer in silence due to childhood adversities.
It's a really nice journey for them, because they start at the beginning of the year where the teachers work with them and, help them help bring music to them and musical skills, etc. And then somewhere in the middle of the year, they start working with the students on songwriting. So one, of course, it's fun. Two, through the process of songwriting, we get to address certain issues.
Enabling Leadership Foundation now aims to take its initiatives into rural India. To provide a platform to empower children with leadership skills. So far, Music Basti has impacted more than 1,000 children in Pune, Dharwad, Bengaluru, including 650 children in Delhi and NCR. Having received a positive response from teachers and parents, Music Basti plans to extend its program to more schools in the national capital.
We are currently targeting, wanting to target the kids of all the community kids, kind of. Like currently our focus though is in the SDMC schools, especially in South Zone, South Delhi region. But we have plans to, go to the low-income private schools. Even we have heard from the teachers as well that our program has impacted in the classrooms. They have learned to work together, they have learned to concentrate, they have learned to, think, creatively, like creative thinking and problem solving skills. So all these things we have been hearing from the teachers and the parents as well.
As Nelson Mandela once said, we owe our children a life free from violence and fear. With these young, impressionable minds exposed to social evils, it is initiatives like these that help them build a strong sense of value, discipline, equality, and mutual respect. This Independence Day, let's get inspired and learn from these children and give them a respectable future that they deserve, free of discrimination and hate.
हिंदू यहाँ, मुस्लिम यहाँ, मिलते रहे हम प्यार